Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to study how to multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's start. See, numbers are in Indian system, the numbers are written as 1, 10, 100, 1000. So 1 is represented by one small cube. When you move from ones to tens, this one cube is multiplied by 10, means this we use 10 such cubes to represent number at tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many cubes are there? 10 cubes, right? Next we have number at hundreds place. Now again number at tens place is multiplied by 10, so you get a number at hundreds place. So here, these 10 cubes are further multiplied by 10, so means such 10 lines. See, 1 set of 10 cubes, again set of 10 cubes, again set of 10 cubes. So there are such 10 lines. So means how many cubes are here? 100 cubes, right? Next we have at 1000 place. So here again number at hundreds place when multiplied by 10 you get a digit at 1000 place. So see, such we have a plate of hundreds cube. We have a plate of 100 cube, and when these 100 cubes are further piled up, 10 such 100 cubes are piled up one upon the other, you get a cube of 1000, right? So from there, we have learned that if we multiply any digit by 10, it will move into the next column, right? Move into the next column. So, here is the example. See, number at ones place is 6. But when you multiply this number by 10, that means you are multiplying number at 6 ones place, that is 6 single digit number, by 10. So we must put a 0 in the empty box. See, number is shifted when you multiply digit at tens place by 6. This digit will shift to tens place and the empty box is replaced by 0. So when you multiply 6 by 10, you will get as 60 answer. Similarly, let's take another example. Now the two numbers are there. One is at ones place, another one is at tens place. So number is 23. Again, you will shift both the numbers to their right. See, right, when you multiply digit at tens place by 10, it will shift to hundreds place. And when you multiply digit at ones place by 10, so it will shift towards the tens place. And then replace the empty ones place unit by 10 because you were multiplying 23 by 10. So I request students, all of you, to please try this within 2 minutes, right? And then move on to the next slide. So I am waiting here for just 2 minutes and then you can move on to the next slide. So here is the answer. 480. 48 into 10 is equal to 480. Now you can start checking your answers. 93 into 10 is 930. 134 into 10 is 1340. 256 multiplied by 10 is 2560. And then 889 into 10 is 8000, sorry, 8890. So excellent students, I hope you all must have done it correctly. Now next, if we multiply 6 by 100, it will move up 2 columns, right? For example, now see, 6 is at one's place. Now you are multiplying by 100. So 6 will move to 100's place. And now the empty places are replaced by 0. See, 0, 0. Right? Is this clear to everyone? So we must put 0 in the empty columns to hold the place. 6 into 100 is equal to 600. So now, again I am giving you 2 minutes to try this and then we will check the answers. You keep this slide on this mode for 2 minutes and then move on to the next. Pause your video here. So now let's check the answers. 8 into 100 is equal to 800. 15 into 100 is equal to 1500. 28 into 100 is equal to 2800. 134 multiplied by 100 is equal to 13,400. 267 when multiplied by 100, you will get 26,700. So here see, number of zeros are simply added in front of the given number which is multiplied by this number. So I hope students it is clear to everyone. Now next. So well done everyone. I hope you all must have done it correctly. Now next, move on to the next one. If we multiply 6 by 1000, it will move up to 3 columns. See, 6 is at one's place. When you multiply it by 1000, so it will simply move on to the thousands place. It will move on to the thousands place. So, and the empty columns are replaced by 0. So, now you all can try this. Again, I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this. You can pause here your video and solve it and then check your answers. Let's move on to the next slide. So here are the answers. When 9 is multiplied by 1000, so you got answer as 9,000. When you have multiplied 13 by 1000, so the answer is 13,000. When you multiplied 64 by 1000, your answer is 64,000. When you multiplied 149 by 1000, the answer is 1,49,000. When you have multiplied 352 by 1000, you got answer as 3,52,000. So excellent students, I hope again you all must have done it correctly and congratulations to all. Thank you students. So today we have learned how to multiply any number by 10, 100, 1000, and now you are trained in such a way that you can do it orally also. So I hope now you are enough confident to do it. So students, now let's learn if you not have directly 10, 100 or 1000. So now let's learn some other multiplications having zeros. So let's take an example. For example, if I ask you to multiply 42 by 20. So how will you do this? See, first you multiply 42 by 2, right? And then I will tell you how to write the answer. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So see, you have multiplied 42 by 2, right? You have multiplied 42 by 2. So the answer is 84. So write down 84 here. 84, right? And see, now put this 0 here, right? So in this way you got the answer. Now let's try another one. Let's take 56. Let me try this one time. 56 multiplied by 30. Now how will you do this? Again, 56 multiplied by 3, right? See, multiply 56 by 3, 3 6 18, 1 carry, 3 5 15 plus 1 60, right? 168. So the answer is 1 6 8, right? And see here you have this 0, so put 0 here. So I hope this is clear to everyone. How to multiply a number with 20, 30, 40. Okay? Let's try another one. If I ask you to multiply 92 by 400. Now how will you do this? First you multiply 92 by 4, right? So 92 multiply by 4, right? 4 2s are 8 and 4 9 36, right? So first you write down this 3 6 8, right? Now here you have 2 zeros, so simply put these 2 zeros. I hope it is clear to everyone how to multiply digits in case if they are not directly 10, 100 or 1000. And now I hope you will be able to solve them independently.